Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Layeredge or Edgen token on Binance Alpha. It's very easy. First you can open your Binance app and go to your search box here in the top, and you can search Edgen search, and you can see Edgen on Alpha. You can click it, and this is the chart of Edgen token. You can also see the details by click info in the top here. You will see the 24-hour high, low, and also the volume. You can also see the audit here, and if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade in the bottom here. You can choose instant swap or buy, or you can put a limit order here. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.